Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a trailer tester. You could pick one up for about $5 at Harbor Freight, and it has a couple of LEDs, and this tests the lights, that making sure that your vehicle is outputting to the trailer lights. So you plug it into the back of your truck or vehicle, and as you hit the buttons or as you hit the blinkers and the brakes, it lights up. Problem with that is that you still need somebody behind you to let you know if the lights lit up or not, and that's to isolate if you have a problem between your truck and your trailer. So usually I go load up my trailer by myself, and sometimes I'd like to check my lights, and so I came up with this device here that I'm gonna wire up, and I'll show you. And all this stuff will be on the description at the bottom. It's basically some 12-volt LEDs, 25-foot trailer wiring harness. So it has this end that connects to the vehicle, to the back of the vehicle, and it's 25 feet. Now this box here, I just found, I had a knife come in this box, so I'm going to repurpose it, and it's going to go like this with the lights here, so I can plug it in, walk around to the driver's side with this, hit my blinkers, hit my stop sign, and my running lights to see if everything is running. Okay, so it's very simple. Just follow the wiring diagram, and like I said, this here is like $10. I mean, obviously this is free. You can just get yourself a box, and these were $5 for the green ones, and it comes in a pack of 10. So got some other ones there for another project. And you just got to cut them to the right size. I overcut one of them here, but shouldn't be a big issue. So you just put these in here like that. Put that there, and that's it. Do that for each one, and then I'll show you quick wiring in the back. So I'll just fast forward through this. Alright, now here you have all your cabling, and here's all your cabling coming from that. One thing that I do need to mention is that since this actually goes to a trailer, so you can wire a trailer up, is this white one is ground, and it's only about that long right there. So I had to splice in another white cable here to make it run all the way. I'll show you here. All the way to the back. So I had to add this white cable and splice it in to extend this white cable. Basically, that's all it is. So now that's going to be your ground. Throw all this over here. So the white cable is going to be your ground, and we're going to hook up all these black cables to the ground. Okay. Like that. these go together, and then one of each of these goes to the other lights. So there's 4 cables, 4 lights. The green one is going to be your right turn, and the yellow one is going to be your left turn. So you can wire them up however you're going to have this. Yellow would be your left turn, green would be your right turn, and then you're also going to wire your brown ones, one of each, to here. You actually technically only need one, because you're just testing one of the outputs from the back of your vehicle. But this one happens to have two brown ones, and it's just, I started like that, so that's the way I'm going to do it. But you technically just need 3. You're testing 3 wires, and one of them is you're testing 4 wires, and one of them is ground. So technically you're testing 3 circuits. So brake, left turn, brake, right turn, and these are going to be your running lights. So I'll come back to it right now. Let me splice all these in here, and like I said, green is right turn, yellow is left turn. So I'm going to go yellow, green, and then there's 2 browns, so I'm going to go yellow, green, brown, brown. Okay, and those are going to be hooked up to the white ones of these LEDs. Okay, so we've wired it in, and I'm going to be using it like this. So I want left, right running lights, and these are also the brakes. So we've got yellow going to the first one, green going to the second one, and then brown and brown. And that's it. You can splice them however you want to join them. So you're just gonna put them all together in this box, or a box of your choosing, and now you have your tester and this. Let's go check it out, see if it works. Okay, so I had the wiring wrong, and these have black and white. For some reason I was thinking the black was negative, but looking at their schematic, they're actually positive. So the black is positive and the white is negative. So I had to rewire the back. Doesn't change the order, it's still yellow, green, brown, brown, except they go to the actual green cable goes to the black of this one, or the black of this one. The yellow one goes to the black of this one, and then the browns go to the black of these, and then all the whites hook up to the white ground cable here. So we have it plugged in here, you can see, and we're going to walk around, one man testing, and you can check your running lights, brake lights, blinker, right blinker. So there you go. You can even do your hazards and your running lights. Hope you guys liked it. I hope it was useful for you. If not, it's just another little trinket that I'll have here for my testing before I go on long trips. But hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks.